Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo WT2105 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Maimo Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon. Once you open the app, you should see the home page by default. This page. And once you see it, you can tap on the device icon to open the device page. On it, you should see your Maimo WT2105. And here we can scroll down, tap on more. We need to wait until the watch is done synchronizing with our iPhone. Sometimes it takes a while. For some reason on the iPhone, the app is not working too well. Okay, then tap on remove, tap on got it. Now we can close the app. Open the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So open the settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here you will see the list of devices. On it there should be Maimo WT2105. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And then you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.